girl. We're a big girl. I mean, oh, I didn't mean to give that to you. Can you give the spoon back to Mommy so she can put more food on it? Here.
Big old bite. No.
Open mouth. Yum. Yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Harper, that was a giant bite. That was a big bite.
It's a John Hammond's bite.
That was a big bite. Big girl? You're a big girl. Yes, you are.